Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and today's video is about the object origin and how it can help you and how neat it is. So we have a circle that's 5.7 or 5.57. If we want to make that circle with our ratio lock, we want to make it 9. You see it grew from the outside and went outside our guidelines. But if we want it still in that same corner, all you have to do is pick this corner of the object origin and now make it 9 inches, and it keeps it in that same corner of whatever you're working on, no matter what size. You know, if you make it 2 inches, it still put it to the top of that corner because you have picked the object origin up to that top. Same thing, and I'll take away my guidelines by just taking them away on this right here. When you're rotating something, if you wanted to rotate all these items around themselves and have this on the outside, we can go to Windows, Dockers, Transform, and go to Rotation. And we're going to put them at a 45-degree angle, but we're going to use this corner of our object. Same thing as up here. The object origin is right there. And let's make 7 copies, and look what it does. It rotated them around from that top corner equally. Now, the reason I picked 7 instead of 8, because we already have one. Whenever Corel says copies, is because it's making a copy of what you've already got. You could actually put 8, but then you'd have one on top of each other. And this would be a pretty neat way to design stuff quickly if you wanted to see what that would look like. You know, that could possibly be a badge for a sheriff type deal, or, you know, anything. And then always I would take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in to get that complete shape. Or like a lot of people would say, just weld it. You could take that same thing and just go up here and weld it, and you get the same thing. I just get so used to using the Smart Fill tool to do that, because then I can always left click, right click, and get it. So use your object origin. It really pretty neat stuff. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.